Hello everyone, I'm Sahana Gargia and today we're joined with
I am Devansh Deshpande.
and he has talked about Cephur, which is
Carbon emitting fossil replacement. It's basically a replacement for factories that produce fumes that are not bad for our planet, like CO2 and methane.
awesome. So we're going to be asking you a few questions to him about his TED Talk and otherwise as well. So I would like to start off this interview by asking if to the people who are watching this video, what would you like to tell them that, how would you like them to make a change in their lives, that would support the reduction of global warming?
I would tell them to start using electric cars because it will save the world and their money. Also, I will tell them to not be lazy and help the earth by keeping trash in proper bins so that the road won't be polluted and so animals can also be saved.
So can I ask how you are helping to the betterment of the world? Like what steps you are taking?
So basically, whenever I see a plant which is dried, I water it, but sometimes honestly I forget to do that. I also help reduce the pollution of water by having one rule. That rule is I can drink water from 2 days. So for example, yesterday I kept water in my bottle. Today I can drink it, but day after tomorrow I'll have to throw it.
Okay, so you'll rather put it to the plants after 2 days if you end up not drinking the water. Is that so? Okay. Alright, so we noticed that you like Harry Potter. So have you read all of the books?
Yes, of course. The most favorite thing in it is the fantastical creatures. I don't know how the author of the Harry Potter books came up with all of those creatures. They're so many and so diverse.
That's awesome. Can I know your favorite character?
Harry Potter, of course. But if you tell me the favorite creature, I'll say Buckbeak.
Oh wow, that's great. I really love Dobby. Okay, so final question. What would you tell me about your experience at TEDx and how you came to choose your topic? Like how you fell in love with the topic?
So basically, once I just noticed all the waste around the roads, and that too there was even a sign saying not to keep waste there, but it was doubled up instead. All the other sidewalks had no waste at all, but why only that? So then I thought, why is this happening? Then I thought, well, because there are very few bins across the neighborhood, and there's so much trash. And I also don't forget the factories I see across the road. Sugarcane factories, and I can only see windmills in mountains, but still I can see them. Solar panels I've never seen in my life across India. So then I thought, I need to help this. What is all this? This is so bad. So then I just came across that video, and then that suddenly the factories and everything rushed into my mind like a train or a track. So then I started thinking for a day, and then I came up with a brilliant plan, Cephur. So I just started adding the words in my mind that would just be related to my draft of an idea. So I chose carbon emitting facility replacement. Actually, in the start, it was instead of facility, it was factory. But my uncle told me to change it into a facility. So then I started working on my topic, and then soon I came up with the perfect stem. That Cephur will replace factories and instead use clean technology to manufacture objects, providing all the people in the world with the products just like factories do.
That's great. Such smart answers you've given. So thank you so much for being here, Devansh. I really loved your speech.
Thank you.